Alright guys, ready your clips, which actually needs a twitch shake cause that's the most important thing for the impact. So then add the adjustment layer. I personally prefer 40 frames, but you can use whatever length you need according to your clips. And make this center. Then add twitch. Then set the first keyframe amount 0. Then go to center 38. Then at the end again 0. The speed will be around 48. Then enable light and slide. Now you have the perfect pitch. Then next add shake 0, then center 0.6, then again 0. And sorry for the background noise if you're getting any. Then next we'll add exposure, first frame 0, center frame 1.6, and again 0. Okay, so now it's look good, more impactful. But there is one problem, and that's the black bars. You'll get this black bar on twitch shake, on every type of shake. So the fix is add motion tile and drag it on top of all effect. That's it. That will hide the bars. Then next we'll add lens blur, BCC. Then choose the quality sharp. Then ID scale, first frame 0, center frame 16, then end frame 0. Alright, now you have the perfect shake, but it's not smooth. So let's make it smooth. Press U on your keyboard and select all keyframes, easy ease. Then if you go to graph, you'll see all values are combined. Even if you select just single keyframe, still it's combined. It won't happen usually, but sometimes you'll get this because you misselected sometimes. So just the simple fix is left click and uncheck the show animated properties. Then you'll get the single keyframe value graph. Now you can copy my graph. Something like that. Alright, now you have perfect twitch shake. Okay, but if you feel like the blur is too much, just disable the lens blur. Then it will more be like the aggressive one if you disable it. If you want something smooth, you can enable the lens blur. And that's it for today guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like and subscribe, and what tutorial you want next, comment down below. If you haven't already joined my Discord server, link in description, there you'll find a lot of presets. Until then, see you in the next one.